so that if I fail, you may accept my penalty.
Antonio, I will help you. I won't even charge you any interest. I will give you 3,000 gold coins without any interest. However, something I am worried about. What else if you don't pay me back?
Don't worry, Shylock. I will pay you back.
Well, I need some kind of guarantee. Don't I? 3,000 ducats is a lot of money. If you don't pay me back on time, I want a pound of your flesh from any part of your body. Then I choose.
No, you will not sign such a bond for me. I would rather go without money. Don't worry about it, Bassanio. I don't have to pay any penalty. My ships are sure to be back a month before the day we shall be agreed upon.
Antonio, are you willing to sign the bond or not?
Yes, Shylock, I will sign the bond, and I promise that I will agree to the terms.
I am worried. Will Bassanio win the game? I hope Bassanio will take the right choice. Now, make your choice, Lord Bassanio. A golden, a silver, a plain lead casket.
The things which are most beautiful outside are often ugly within. I choose the plain lead casket.
Open it, Bassanio. If my portrait is inside, then I am yours.
What is it that I find? Portia's portrait in it.
Now, from this moment, this mansion, my servants, and myself are all yours. Lord Bassanio, I give them to you, along with this ring, as the sign of our marriage. If you ever part with it or lose it or give it away, let that be a sign that your love for me is dead. Then I accuse you of that.
My sweet lady, when this ring leaves my life or lose it away, think that your husband Bassanio is dead. Let us hope for the best and wish good happiness to you, my lord and lady. This is a great day for us. Let us enjoy to the full.
Dancing in the dark, middle of the night, taking your heart and holding it tight. Emotional touch, touching my skin, and asking you to do what you've been doing all over again. Oh, it's a beautiful thing. Don't think I can keep it all in. I just gotta let you know what it is that won't let me go. It's your love, it just does something to me. It sends a shock right through me. I can't get enough. And do you wonder about the spell I'm under? Better than I was, more than I am, and all of this happened by taking your hand. And who I am now is who I wanted to be. And now that we're together, I'm stronger than ever, I'm happy and free. Oh, it's a beautiful thing. Don't think I can keep it all in. If you ask me why I changed, all I gotta do is say your sweet name. It's your love, it just does something to me. It sends a shock right through me. I can't get enough. And if you wonder about the spell I'm under, it's a beautiful thing. Don't think I can keep it all in. I just gotta let you know what it is that won't let me go. It's your love, it just does something to me. It sends a shock right through.
A messenger has arrived from Venice, my lord. This is a letter from your best friend Antonio.
Dear Bassanio, my ships are all sunk into the sea, and I am in great trouble. Shylock wants to take a pound of flesh from me, and I am going to die. Please come to my trial and execution. I want to see you once more. Your friend Antonio.
Bassanio, you are my husband now. Go to your friend right away. Pay him 20 times the original law and tear off the bond. I will make arrangements for you to go.
A clever lawyer has come from another town. Yes, the proceeding begin.
Be merciful to him, Shylock.
Why should I be merciful?
Mercy is twice blessed. It blesses him who gives and him who receives. Mercy is like gentle rain. It falls from heaven and blesses us everyone. God himself is known to be full of gentleness and mercy. Therefore, Shylock, be merciful. Take 3 times of the sum of money and let me tear the bond.
I am willing to pay 10 times the sum that Antonio cost to you. I want justice and fulfillment of my contract. Read the contract. It says that upon Antonio's flesh, from the place nearer to his heart, is mine. I don't want money. I need my pound of his flesh.
Do you agree to the terms in the bond?
Yes, I do.
If the money wasn't paid back, Antonio, you must get ready to die then. Do you have anything else to say before your death?
No, I am ready to die. Goodbye, my friend. Don't bring yourself to my death.
Oh, Antonio, I am sorry. You are a best friend in the world. Enough of this. Let us get on with it. I want my pound of his flesh.
Are you ready to cut off a pound of flesh?
I am ready.
The balance is here. Antonio is going to die.
But the bond says nothing about accusation.
Alright, the pound of flesh is yours.